TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. Dow Industrials right now down 58. You get the Nasdaq off 35. S&Ps are down 5. Gold contract up $2 at 11.17. You get silver up 11 cents, $14.63. Platinum's up $10 at 9.13 an ounce. Copper flat at $2.33 a pound. Light sweet crude is up $1.71, $46.78 a barrel. Bonds, the 10-year up 7 ticks, 128.31. 30 up 1 full point, 3 ticks, 158.16. Both 10 and 30, folks, are going to go run for their highs. King Dollar can't handle higher price. Once again, down 330, 96.15. The euro is up 18 at 111, and the yen is at 119.66. Bottom line, folks, you get a sick market in an extraordinary way. What you have is this. This is the second time you're talking about a one-day bounce, and that's all she wrote. This is setting up a very large ABC structure on the way down. We're going to be going after these lows fast, furious, and all of the above. The lows we're talking about in the SPY, we're talking about the 182.90. The A point on this for an ABC structure on the way down is 202. The B is at 186. So you're talking a monster. You're talking 16 points off the high of this morning, which ends up at about the 178 area, and 182 is the low. What's the culprit? The culprit, folks, is the whole market, but in particular, and when you look at the NDX 100, what you have, that is toast in an extraordinary way. And what you have inside the NDX 100 is this. You have Apple that can't hold price, that wants lower price, that has an expansion of volume. And because of that, you have Apple suppliers. Apple suppliers are coming down along with the IBB. Okay, so bottom line, we're going to be going after lower price. I expect that's going to be fast, furious, all of the above. If we go over and we take a look at the gold market, bottom line, this is a really cool thing. If you happen to be in the metal market, gold's going topside once again. The gold equities are really going topside. They had some force yesterday. They're coming through out here today. Gold went to 11.10 out here this morning, rejected lower price. We had slightly lower volume yesterday as to what we were going into. I expect this gold market's going to run to the 11.56 area as well as the 11.69 area. Bottom line is that the gold itself has acted totally different on this pullback than it has in the last 10 years. Okay, bonds. The 10-year bond, folks, okay, is going for it. 10-year bond, 555,000 contracts thus far. The high, all-time high of the 10-year bond is 129.10. We've hit 129.01. I expect you're not only going to hit it, you're probably going to blow it away, and more than likely we're going to see this get it done today. The yield on it right now is at 2.010. Okay, so what I expect you're also going to see there is that yield is going to go under 2, which is going to be absolutely amazing. King Dollar, the story on King Dollar just continues to be the exact same story. King Dollar wants lower price. King Dollar got to a price point today of 96.63. You're at 96.13. Can't handle higher price. Hasn't been able to handle a swing point since August 7th. So what does that set up? That sets up King Dollar's going to make a run after its lower part of this consolidation, and the lower part of the consolidation starts at 95.27 down into 92.85. Bottom line, folks, is that what you can expect out here is that you don't even get a dead cat bounce. Pretty amazing. You're going to expect that you're going to be hammering into lows, and we'll see what type of volume we have as we start hammering into lows. Bottom line, it's the NDX 100. It led us on the way up. The NDX 100 is once again going to lead us on the way down. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can call 855-750-4051. They have great deals right now on gold and silver. Gold, $75 over spot. Silver, $7 over spot. Those are coins, all in, delivered to your house. It's 855-750-4051. Have a great one. Have a safe one. Look for you speaking right back here tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you like it does me, visit everbank.com/TFNN to find out what they can do for you. Again, that's everbank.com/TFNN. Visit them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.